Hello everyone and welcome to this session. I am Corentin Jouvet from Powersys and today I will present you our hardware on demand offer and how we can help you to take your JMAG simulation to the next level with Powersys HPC services. You may know Powersys mainly for our software distribution and technical support activities, but more globally, we aim at providing our customers with a complete solution so they can make the most of their simulation work. To achieve this, we have several types of services. Firstly, we provide trainings. The software tools we distribute are expert tools and require time and experience to master them. To get an advanced level faster, we can provide you with standard and customized training. Secondly, we have the engineering consulting services. If you have any particular needs in terms of simulation you want us to take care, our experienced engineering team can handle it. For instance, we can create for you specific models of components, developing a script, or performing a complete analysis work from setting up your geometry till analyzes the results. Thirdly, we have this software on demand. If your requirements in terms of simulation change a lot over the time, we can offer you a pay-per-use license scheme, which will give you more flexibility. Your license cost varies according to your consumption. Finally, we have the hardware on demand. At Powersys, we use powerful computation system for our simulation work, and we want to let JMAG user access to it. By letting us run your simulation, you can save a lot of time, and we will see this in the next slides. Now, let's see why the hardware on demand offer can be very useful for JMAG users. JMAG is a very powerful tool for electromagnetic engineers. It provides advanced features that are more and more essential if you want to get the right design quickly, which can help you to stay in the race with your competitors. Some examples of these features are 3D simulation, generating JMAG-RT model for system level simulation, running parametric analysis and parametric optimization, running topology optimization, etc. The problem of this feature is that they usually require a long calculation time, and if you want results quickly, you need an important JMAG license board as well as many available processors. Every engineers do not have access to such equipment and just have a simple PC to so their JMAG analysis. With Powersys HPC services, you can get access to such capabilities and decrease a lot your calculation time for large or complex analysis. This would also change the way you are thinking the simulation, as the computation speed will not be a limit anymore for you. Now I will share with you 3 case studies based on previous collaborations we have done with our customers. In this first case studies, the user needed to run a very large number of simulations to export the result in their post-treatment process and take into account a large number of operating points. It was a 2D model, and he wanted to run around 4,000 different cases and operating points. But he had the possibilities to use only one processor for this simulation on his own computer. With this configuration, the total calculation would have taken around 130 hours. By letting us take care of it and run its simulation on our HPC, we were able to deliver all the results expected by him, so the map with the torque, current, voltage, copper loss, and iron loss, in less than 24 hours. Thanks to this, the user has been able to respect his project deadline. In this second case study, we show that this service can be also very useful for large 3D simulation. By using an HPC and a lot of cores, one can decrease a lot the computation time for such model. In this example, using one core would take more than 2,000 minutes to run the simulation. So it's a 3D model with about 2 million elements. But if you take 64 cores, you need only about 100 minutes. And using the latest version of JMAG, you can use, and we can use with our HPC up to 1024 cores. So again, this is something we can run for you very easily and deliver the results in something like a day if the model is ready to run. For the third case study, I want to show you that we can also help for generating high fidelity model for system level simulation using JMAG-RT. I don't know if you are familiar with JMAG-RT, but JMAG-RT is a specific tool of JMAG used to generate behavior tables of your motor, accounting for FEA analysis results, and that you can import then in system simulation or power electronics tool like PSIM or Simulink, Sabre, etc. To get so a system simulation with a very high fidelity and realistic motor model, accounting for the exact dimension, structure, and materials of the machines. This kind of simulation also require a large number of cases, around 3,600 minimum. So having a HPC and a large computation system can be very useful and can make it used in just a few hours or something like that. By generating this model for you, we also validate the model in PSIM, in a power electronic simulation, and we deliver to you a built-in model that you can directly import very easily in your power electronics software, PSIM or any other software. So this is the end of my presentation. Just to sum up, our hardware on-demand offer can be very useful for JMAG users who want to use advanced features but only have a simple PC to run their simulation. It can be worth using it for many different cases, but especially if you have many cases of calculation, many operating points you want to calculate, or if you want to run a model, a 3D model, for example, with several millions of elements. Feel free to contact us if you want a technical review of your needs. If you want to see more in details how much it can be beneficial for you and how much time we can help you to save, we can just have a first discussion with you. So please contact me or my colleague about that at your convenience. Thank you very much and have a good time, and I hope you will enjoy the Powersys user conference.